Good day, beautiful people. This is Natalie Silva with Life Treasures and Golden Moments. Welcome back to my podcast. I thought I would wrap up this month's podcast, the month of September, by sharing a story with you that was written by Kim McLean, an award-winning songwriter, artist, and speaker from Greensboro, North Carolina. The title of the story is called Hummingbirds in the Rain. And I was inspired to read this and share it with you today because I was sitting out on my patio earlier today, and we have these beautiful red flowers that are just sitting out there so pretty. And these little hummingbirds kept flying in and helping themselves to the nectar and the flowers. And it was just so beautiful. And so many people do love hummingbirds, and they have a special meaning to them. And I thought this would be a great story to share with you today. Now and then, I wake up with a head full of memories and a heart full of sadness. Maybe it's a dream that brings it on, or maybe it's just time to embrace the gift of tears again. Dreams and memories can seem very real, and even if an event is long past, the memory can affect us today. Our dogs have chased many a squirrel while never leaving the couch that they're napping on. Jessie is the most avid dreamer. She'll dream, bark, and swing her paws as though she's running after something. Well, one day I woke up to a melancholy day. Nothing had changed from the night before, and nothing was bad. I wasn't depressed or broken, just sad. The rain brought me comfort. I imagined God knew I needed to cry, so He cried for me. The world was quiet on that day, so I had the chance to slide into the rock on the porch, writing and praying. Just above the rock hangs a hummingbird feeder. The little birds are fairly regular with their meal times, and usually one or two will visit later in the day. But on this day, one after another came to feed for several hours. The rain was pouring, and they came all the more, while the blue jays and cardinals stayed in their hiding places. On my sad day, hummingbirds, which represent joy to many people, all came around. I couldn't help smiling, and the strange, happy, sad afternoon passed gently. It passed gently by as my soul found comfort in the beauty of God's tiny winged creatures. A wise person once told me that the only way past pain is through it. There are times when sorrows come like a deluge, and you think you'll hurt forever, but you won't. Feelings are there for a reason. They're part of our humanness, inescapable. They make us real. Don't be afraid to open your heart to God today, and let Him know what's going on inside of you. Again, a special thanks to our author, Kim McLean, who reminds us the importance of looking for joy wherever it may be, whether it be in a hummingbird, a rainbow, or just around. Look for that joy. And remember Proverbs 17:22. A cheerful heart is a good medicine. This is Natalie Silva. And until next time, take care, and may God bless.